In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create drag and drop activities using Google Slides. This is a fantastic, interactive way to make your presentations more engaging, whether you're an educator looking to inspire your students or a team leader aiming to keep your meetings dynamic. Creating drag and drop activities is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you have a smooth experience. Let's dive in. First, open Google Slides and start by creating a new presentation or opening an existing one that you'd like to enhance with interactive elements. Once your presentation is open, the next step is to design the slide where the activity will take place. Here, you will set the theme or background for your activity. You can choose a solid color, gradient, or even upload an image to serve as your backdrop. Selecting the right background can make a big difference in how visually appealing your activity will be, so take your time to experiment with different options. Now consider the elements that the participants will interact with. These can be text boxes, images, shapes, or any other objects you wish to include. To add these, utilize the toolbar at the top of the page. For shapes, click on the shape icon, choose the shape you want, and then click and drag to place it on the slide. For text, choose the text box tool, then click and type directly onto the slide. If you're using images, simply click on Insert from the menu, select Image, and choose your image source. It's important to plan out which elements will be draggable and where they will be dropped. Think about how you want users to interact with these components and ensure that their roles and placements are clear. This clarity will help maintain the flow and purpose of the activity so that users can enjoy a seamless experience. To make the drag and drop action possible, we need to set the restrictions that allow elements to move. While Google Slides does not explicitly support dragging and dropping as a feature, this can be achieved by arranging the slide so that the movable elements do not overlap or interfere with each other. This often involves organizing clickable areas and labeling them for users to understand their interactivity. Even though we can't implement dragging in the traditional sense as seen in specialized applications, encouraging users to mimic this action by moving objects as you have arranged, by highlighting how each item fits into a bigger picture, can be incredibly effective. Finally, once your elements are in place and organized correctly, it's time to test the setup. Enter presentation mode to see how the activity flows and to confirm that participants can drag and drop as intended. Consider conducting a trial run with a few team members or friends to see if the activity is engaging and easy to use. With everything functioning smoothly, you'll be ready to share your interactive presentation with your audience. And that's it. You've created a dynamic drag and drop activity using Google Slides. Feel free to explore additional features like animations and incorporate feedback loops to make it even more interactive. Thank you for joining me today, and happy presenting.